Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I had no idea what I was going to be doing. I literally just winged it. Like, I have two pimples well, three pimples actually. I have two down here and one right here. I don't know where they come from, and I don't know who be me, but I'm so fine. I know I'm so take garlic to these. I just becoming a band on it. But yeah, I had no idea what I was going to be doing today. I literally just winged this. And pun unintended. Yeah, I just winged this because like we never know what may I do today. But let's just get into the video, and remember to click subscribe and also to click the notification bell, and I hope you enjoy this video. I think you know the drill by now. I'm priming my lids with my concealer. And today I'm going to be using the James Charles palette and the Juvia's Place palette. I'm going to be going back and forth with these two. When I'm going to the black shade from the James Charles palette, I'm going to put that right above my crease in a cut crease shape. Next, I'm going to go into the purple shade from the Juvia's Place palette. And I'm going to pack that right above that black shade. And purples can get muddy very quickly, so just use very small amounts and just blend it upwards. Just go up. So as you can see, I'm just using very small amounts because me really can't bother with purple doing that thing that it does. It just goes really muddy. I'm more ball in here. I'm gonna go back in with that brush that I use in the black just to darken up this purple a bit. Next, I'm gonna go into the pink shade from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm just gonna pack that right above this purple, just blending this out. And then I'm going to go into the yellow shade from the Juvia's Place palette and blend that right above the pink. And since I don't have much since I don't have much eye space, I'm gonna blend this up to my eyebrow. So now I'm gonna go back into my concealer and I'm just going to cut my crease. And I'm actually not gonna film this because it takes a really long time for me to cut my crease. So after I cut my crease, I'm gonna go back in with the white shade from the James Charles palette just to set that concealer. To prevent any transfer. And next, I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Shockwave liner, and this is in Blackout. This is the black shade, and I'm gonna get a smaller mirror, and I'm gonna put that right in my lash line, and I'm actually gonna bring this out in kind of a wing liner shape. And I know this looks messy, but just trust me, it will turn out good. Then I'm gonna go back in with the black shade from the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna set this and kind of begin, and I'm gonna set this liner and kind of begin to smoke it out a bit. And then I'm gonna go back in with that purple shade from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm gonna start packing that right above the black shadow and blending these together. Then I'm gonna go into the pink shade from the Juvia's Place and do the same process above that purple. And finally, I'm gonna go into the yellow shade and pack that right above that pink. To clean this up, to get the sharp liner that I have over here, I'm gonna go back in with my concealer and just clean this wing. So we're done with the eyes for now. We're gonna move on to the face and then come back and finish the eyes. So I've already primed my face with my Sacha mattifier. So I'm gonna go on to my foundation, and today I'm using my Milani 2-in-1. I'm just gonna put this all over my face. And by now you can probably tell that I really like this foundation because it is full coverage while being a bit more dewy. So although my skin is oily, I tend not to use a lot of mattifying products because then my skin gets this idea that it's dry and it starts to produce even more oil. So while I might use a mattifying primer, I tend to use like the Milani if like I'm going out and I know I'm gonna be out all day and I'm gonna be having like makeup on my face for like say 12 hours, 7 hours, 6 hours, and I'm gonna be in the sun and moving up and down. Then I'll use say my Maybelline Superstay because that is matte and Jamaica is hot and humid, so sometimes I want that extra level of protection. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. And this is in the shade Hazelnut. And this is also a full coverage concealer. It's really creamy, so I really like using it. So just to have a bit more brightening effect, I'm going to go in with the concealer that I use to prime my lids. That's the LA Girl, and that's in shade Fawn. I'm gonna bring that down my nose. I'm gonna go in with my foundation brush and just blend out the edges of this concealer so it just flows right into my foundation. To set my face, I'm gonna be using my Sacha Buttercup. Whoa! Gonna get a damp sponge. To contour, I'm going to go in with my City Color Contour Effects and go in with the contour shade. And just stipple that right below my cheekbones. blush, I'm actually going to mix the pink and the orange shade from the Juvia's Place palette just to get a nice corally shade. To bronze, I'm going to be using the brown shade from the Juvia's Place palette. I'm just going to use that to warm up my face. And to highlight, I'm going to use that pinkish goldish shimmer shade from the Juvia's Place palette. And just to bring back some moisture to my face, I'm going to go in with some setting spray. And I'm going to go back in with my sponge and just press that into my skin. So just repeat the process in the same order that I did up here. Just use my shockwave liner, the black, the purple, the pink, the yellow, and I did some mascara. And now I'm gonna brush off this bake because it has been a good while. For my inner corner, I'm gonna go in with that shimmer shade from the Juvia's Place palette. I'm just gonna pack that right in here. And to highlight my brow bone, I'm gonna go in with Face from the James Charles palette. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. cream liner and just extend this eyeliner straight down into my inner corner. I'm gonna highlight my nose with that same shimmer shade from the Juvia's Place palette. Just a little bit in here. For lips, I'm gonna go back in with my shockwave liner and I'm gonna line my lips with this. Then I'm gonna go in with some purple lip glaze from LA Girl. And finally, I'm gonna go in with this pink liquid velvet lipstick from Nobby. Gonna put that right in the center. Gonna set my face again. And I'm gonna go back into that shimmer shade from Juvia's Place and add some more highlights. So I'm gonna bring it up. And now I'm gonna add some lashes. These are my Love Your Lash JA lashes, and be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I just added some lashes and some more highlights. As you can see, I mean, highlight is a favorite part of my routine. I am getting better at applying my lashes. They aren't lopsided today, I think. I mean, maybe they are, but I can't see it right now. But yeah, I I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I'll leave my products and social media links below. You can follow me at Instagram at antisocial_sarcasm or Twitter at kwallace. I'll also leave a couple of my videos linked up in the iCard and some down below. But if you're not sure whether or not you want to subscribe based off this video alone, you can go and watch those. But I mean, if you enjoyed this video, I mean, clicking subscribe, it shouldn't be that hard, right? And you can also click the notification bell so you can know anytime I upload. And I keep on looking at myself in the mirror. I'm really enjoying this look because it's like kind of simple, kind of glam, kind of colorful, and it matches my hair. I'm feeling this look. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.